are multiple ways to navigate the tabs throughout an Excel workbook. If you work in corporate finance or investment banking, you're probably used to working with workbooks which contain lots of tabs to sift through. You can click on them one at a time, but what if you have lots of tabs like we do have here in our workbook? I mean, this is just a basic example, but you want to be able to navigate pretty quickly in your workbook if you have tight deadlines. And there's a few options in which you can take to make things a little bit more efficient for you. The first option is right-clicking on the section at the bottom of the screen where it shows arrows beside the tabs. That's in the bottom navigation bar. This will pop up a list of available tabs to navigate through. For instance, if we click on the left side of the tabs where the arrows are located, it'll open up all the options of tabs that are available. And if we click on the November 2020 option and click OK, it'll take us to that tab. So that's one of the quick ways to get around. Another option is to press F6 on the keyboard, and then using the keyboard arrow keys, you can navigate left or right, and then just press Enter when you land on the tab that you want to make active. For instance, if we press F6 and navigate over to the July 2020 tab using the arrows on our keyboard, and then press Enter, it'll then activate that tab and bring it into the view. A third option, which I use most frequently, is by using the Control and Page Up or Control and Page Down function. This toggles you through the different tabs of the workbook one at a time. Control plus Page Up navigates you to the left, and Control plus Page Down navigates you to the tabs that are located to the right of the active tab that you're on currently. I find this one to be pretty useful just to sift through the different tabs, and it's the one that I use most frequently when I'm looking through workbooks and working within them. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.